Yo, what's up guys? Guess what? I get to unbox something and it's pretty cool. RGB M.2 SSD. How cool does that sound? Like, you got RGB fans, RGB heat sinks, RGB RAM, you got RGB everything, but you don't have RGB SSDs until today. So I get to unbox the M.2 Asura SSD. So this is a new SSD from the company Asura Technologies. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So, I was presented with the opportunity to unbox this little piece of hardware. It's from Asura Technology. It's an M.2 SSD. So, let's get to it. Right off the bat, you take off the top. You got a nice little cardboard cutout. It says performance redefined. Then we have a couple infographics. This one's telling me this is the 1 terabyte version of the SSD. It also tells me it's PCIe 3.0 by 4 lanes, NVMe 1.3 M.2 SSD, utilizes the Phison E12 controller. Sequential read speed up to 3500, sequential write speed up to 3000, TBW up to 1655 terabytes. Modular dual heatsink and LED diffuser design. So yeah, it's RGB. And Gigabyte Fusion ready, whatever that means. I'm assuming it has to do with the Gigabyte motherboards. And then it asks, not enough space on your motherboard for the Genesis Xtreme. Our modular design allows you to remove the bottom heatsink and the 2-side LED diffusers for a better fit. So it actually lets you take off the LED diffusers, so you can just use it as one singular M.2 SSD, like a normal SSD or normal M.2 SSD. So here it is, the M.2 SSD with the logo on the back. I'm gonna put out a video later showcasing the RGBs, because I am actually gonna install one in my own computer. So yeah, just an M.2 SSD. I wonder if I can take off the panels from here. I don't think I can. I think I need a screwdriver or something, or a flathead. So I'm just gonna leave it for now. Okay. Then we take off this top part. What else do we got? We are creating a movement towards designing products for a new generation as we strive for better performance, higher quality, and groundbreaking innovation. Thank you for helping us on our journey. If you guys didn't know, Asura Technology, they're actually a fairly new company. I believe this is their first big release, which is their M.2 SSDs, so I'm really excited to be able to do this for them. So under that, you have 3 boxes, and these are 3 different cables. You got micro USB, USB-C, and the lightning cable. So these are actually for, we'll go back to that later. It actually comes with an Asura power bank. Yo, this is awesome. Asura actually included a power bank with their SSD. It has a 5000 milliamp battery. You can definitely feel the good build quality from this. This is awesome. This actually feels so nice. I'm so glad they included a power bank. Holy. It has USB out for charging devices, and then a micro USB in for charging the power bank itself. And then it has a small button to turn on the indicator, and you can see it's 3 out of 4 charges. This is really cool. So yeah, that's pretty much everything in the box, guys. There you have it. Asura M.2 SSD RGB. Bro, this little device is awesome. Like, I'm so excited to be able to put one in my rig. But you know what? You know what's even more exciting? You guys get to have one too. So one lucky person will be able to join a contest hosted by Asura for one of these in their own system. But that's not all. That system will actually be built and shipped to you by Asura, and they will also have a video of that rig being built. So I'll leave the details to that in the description below. And I also want to talk about another giveaway that my girlfriend Alexi is hosting. So if she reaches 100 subs and 25 patrons, or 100 patrons on Patreon, then she will be giving away one of these 1 terabyte versions on her own stream. So I'll also leave a link to that in the description below. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll probably have a review for this in the future, so stick around for that. And until then, catch you guys later.